Olive from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother, Joaquin. And today, we're making star lanterns, or Filipino parols, out of pipe cleaners to decorate for the holidays.
And our bodies of elves.
Some scissors and 18 pipe cleaners. Usually, parols or star lanterns are made of flexible sticks and string, and they cover it with tissue paper and put a light source inside. But that's a bit tricky for a kid, so we're gonna make one with only out of pipe cleaners. You can use any color you want, or you could use 5 of the same color for the top layer, 5 pipe cleaners for the bottom layer, 2 for the supports, and 6 or more pipe cleaners for the streamers. First, you're going to take 5 pipe cleaners and lay them out in a star. Now you're going to twist the ends of the star together. 3 times is good, and try to keep your star in its shape. Ta-da! Next, you're going to take your other 5 pipe cleaners and lay them on top of your star, like this. Then, you're going to twist the ends together. Now you're going to take the points of each of your stars and twist them together. I twist them 3 times so they're secure. Now you're going to take the 2 pipe cleaners you chose for your supports and some scissors. You're going to take 1 pipe cleaner and fold it in half. And then you're going to fold it in half again. Then you're going to take your scissors and cut on the folds. You're going to take one of your pieces and then measure a piece on your other pipe cleaner. Then you're going to cut that part off. Now we're going to hang on to the shorter parts of the pipe cleaner and set the longer piece to the side. Then we're going to grab our star and find the places in the middle where the star crosses. Then we're going to take one of our supports and then fold the edge of the support over about 1 centimeter. Then we're going to twist it together. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the star. We're going to overlap it about 1 centimeter and then twist it together. See how it makes the star puff out? Now we're going to add supports to the other 4 points where they intersect. I can shift the supports to adjust the shape of my star. And I can straighten out these parts too. Now we're going to take the pipe cleaners we picked out for our streamers and twist the ends together about 2 centimeters like this. Now we're going to attach the ends of our streamers to the bottom points of our star by twisting them together like this. Ta-da! Last, we're going to take the longer piece of pipe cleaner we set aside earlier and make it a loop. Then we'll twist the ends together and then twist the end of our loop to the top of our star. And here are our finished star lanterns!
Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty holidays. Bye!
You can use any color you want, or you can use 5 of the same color for the top layer.
Why?
You can use
What if I sneezed on Buddy? Oh no.
I don't know what Buddy will be mad.
He never gets mad. He's always smiling.
Yeah, because he has to.
No. He said no.
Oh.
Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty holidays. Bye. Meow.
Hi. Thanks for watching. Be a good boy and girl. Happy holidays from Buddy the Home.
Buddy, what are you saying? Look how it was broken the whole
I can't
time.
even open my mouth. Happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Diwali.
He's taking a video.
Happy
Why?
Happy Los Pasadas.
What? Why?
Happy Eat Donuts on New Year's Day.
What?
Don't forget to put yellow underwear on and eat 12 grapes. Happy everything.
What?
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty
Duck feet!
Ready?
Duck feet! You know duck feet! Duck